Entrance to Walmart. Барбершоп. Барбершоп. Георгий, left side. This is barbershop, all barbershops. Yeah, so many barbershop here. How much? 15 yuan. It's about 100 peso. Георгий, barbershop? No. No. Elevator not working. Another. Exit. This is exit. Because it's not working entrance. That's why you go the wrong way. Walmart delivery. Yes. This is exit. Георгий, it's service center of Walmart. It's not shop. Great. 10 yuan only. Also 10 yuan. 10 yuan, it's about 80 peso maybe. Ice cream. Ice cream price. Here you can buy already food for it. How much? 12 yuan only. So it's 100 peso. This is 100 peso. 100 peso all. This is 22 peso. It's about 150 maybe peso. 100 peso. 100 peso. Discount now. Before this price and now new price because evening already. Many with discount because already many with discount.
What discount? Yeah.
Here, this one you can see. Meat, bread also discount. mooncake. Already prepare for festival. Maybe I will buy. Georgi, I know you like this one. This is 10 yuan only. I will buy. About 100 peso. What is Georgi?
It's tiramisu cake.
So you won't buy all cake?
Once day,
How much in the Philippine money? So it's 40
560.
560 all tiramisu cake?
Yes. 80 yuan.
80 yuan, 80 yuan. In the Philippines you can buy only half, or maybe not half. Before this price, and now discount. When you've been in second floor, they already put sticker to here. I return this one, I return and take another one. Also, before is 7, now 3. Because time now before 10. 10 close. Before 10 always discount. You can see he put scanner, he put cheaper. And before and now. For tomorrow I will buy. You can also buy.